Good morning, everyone. As usual, I will give you a chance to grab your coffee while I grab mine, and I will meet you back here in just a few seconds for the show. Alright, as usual, we're going to start off with our sugar cube moments. This week's are just some stock video footage that I found on the internet of some of the Earth's gorgeous creatures. Good morning and welcome again. For those of you that have been here before, hello and welcome back. For those of you that are new, I'm Sylvie. Today is Saturday, hence Sylvie on Saturday. As usual, I'm doing this before I go to work, so I'm just going to try and do this quickly. But yeah, hi guys. Oh, I'm so glad to see you guys back. Okay, and speaking of the Earth's beautiful creatures, that just kind of smells right in with my next little bit here. Yeah, I will just let it speak for itself.
Hey, so the other day my niece had to come into town. She had a couple of appointments, and of course I jumped at the chance to keep my grandniece, my great niece. My niece's adorable little one busy for the afternoon while her mom was out doing her stuff. Our original plan was my daughter and I were going to take her swimming, and I was going to get some really awesome videos of the girls in the water and show off the pool, because we got a pretty wicked swimming pool here since the renovation a few years ago. I mean, it's really cool. But that was a bust, because we got to the pool and there was no public swim for that afternoon, so we hit Dairy Queen and tried to figure out what we were going to do for the afternoon.
Blowing on them. Hi, Hazel! Say cheese! You know your way around the camera, hey?
This little bit is actually going to be a PSA, I guess, for our local animal shelter, and we took the little one down and we spent the afternoon with some beautiful, beautiful kittens. Here you go.
Hi, guys! Oh, look at you! Hello, beautiful lady! There's the kitties!
Yeah, look at all of them, hey? Look, beautiful, come over here. Come see this one. Watch out for the other ones. Yeah.
Oh, it's a kitty, hey?
Mommy! This looks like Kitty. This looks like my kitty.
Nice kitties, hey? Yeah.
Mommy, what if this is my kitty?
It's not a kitty.
How do you know?
Oh, something's coming over.
I think it is my kitty. She's got my kitty. I want my kitty. Mommy, I think it actually is my kitty.
Looks a little bit like one of our kitties, eh?
Oh, it looks like Kitty.
Yeah. Hello, beautiful catties.
Mommy. I think it's my kitty.
Yeah, there's a kitty up there.
I think this is my kitty. Like legit.
Is he coming to see you, Hazel?
Can you go see if there's any kittens? That one's really lovely.
Hello, my sweetheart. Yes. Oh, hi. Lots of kitties, hey?
They all look like my kitty.
And you want them all to be your kitty?
No, this one is, I think this is Chubbs. The one that we gave to Charlie.
No, they still have them.
Do they?
As
Are
far
you
as,
sure?
yeah, I'm pretty sure. Sandra was just posting pictures.
Be careful, Hazel.
Is it kitty? Yeah. I want this one right there. Look it. Oh, I see. He's hiding up there, is he? They keep. Oh, I hear. Oh, listen to that meow or purring behind us, eh? Careful, babes.
Come pet this one, Hazel. Come pet this one.
A kitty? Kitty. There she is. Okay, see what I mean about beautiful kittens? And again, that is at the Kitimat SPCA. If you want or interested in any of those kittens, contact the SPCA. They will give you this, which is like a 3-page form to make sure that you can take care of the kitty and to make sure that all of these precious little ones go to good homes. Remember, get it from the shelter, not the pet store. Yeah, there was a couple of Scottish folds in there, I'm sure you saw. Some really gorgeous kittens. So yeah, if you want any of them, again, Kitimat Animal Shelter, Kitimat Humane Society. I don't know, I'll find the phone number, the address, and I'll put it up at the credits of my video this week. And probably in the description down below if I remember. But yeah, so that was my day. Those were the kittens. And thank you again, Linda, for a really fun afternoon. Anytime you want to drop Hazel off with me, you are more than welcome to. Today is April 6th. I just did a show celebrating spring, and this is what I wake up to this morning. I mean, are you kidding me? So much for spring. Yeah, so I'm hoping that snow is just an aberration and spring is actually here. Just kind of waiting on it. Anyways, we're at the halfway point of the show, and I just want to give a quick reminder. You guys go and watch last week's episode. Remember to comment for your chance to win a dozen pearls and a pretty little shell to display them on.
Go back to last week's show, episode 38, leave yourself a comment, and you'll be entered to the draw for those pearls. And what else? Oh, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. If you have anything to say, please scroll down and comment, of course. And as usual, if you haven't yet, hit the big red subscribe button down there, and you'll see me every Saturday. Well, I'm just going to roll right into the second half of my show for you guys. Like I said, we're trying to keep this quick. Last week's was a little long, some people said, so here you go. Hey guys, I just have to show you this. I'm just going to do a quick little thing, but I've got all 3 cameras going. I'm not sure how this is going to work because it's actually like a light up thing, so it's kind of light bright in here. We'll see how it actually works. Again, it's another wish thing. I can't remember how much I spent, but I will get the picture and put it up here like I usually do, or the screen recording or something for you. But anyways, when I ordered this, I don't know that I read it all that well because I had no idea. This was so cool. I actually had it for a while, but I've been just kind of putting off. But I have to show you guys this because it is actually really cool. I had no idea how cool it was when I got it. I don't know if you guys seen on the Big Bang that 3D laser printer thing, and it's like the newest thing. Right here, I don't know how much detail you guys can see, but it's actually a 3D printed laser, or 3D laser printed of the moon. It's so cool, and it's got a little, so you plug it in, but it's got a few different settings. It's super easy. All you have to do is touch, and if you hold it, it goes brighter, or lower and brighter, which I think is really cool. It comes with that little stand, but again, you touch it once more. Oops, that turned it off. Okay. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, now it's off, right? Touch it once, and it's yellow. You touch it the second time, it goes white, and then you touch the bottom, it goes bright. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. It's a bright. Well, it's actually really cool. It's lit up white. Maybe you can see more of the details, but it's got all the crevices and everything, and it's actually so cool. Came with a little charger cord. Came with a little thing like IKEA, though you have to put it together yourself, which I'm not the best at, as you guys know. But anyways, yeah, I've been using that in my room now as my little nightlight thing when I go to bed. I put it on for a while. It lasts up to 8 hours before you have to charge it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. If you're interested, go to Wish and find it. My first official shout out is going to go to this wonderful YouTuber here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, and
as she said, her name is Tina. Not too much into makeup, but I think her presentation of these stories is unique, and be sure to check her out. Okay guys, well that was my show for this week. Again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking around. Yeah. Peace out. Blessed be. Look for the helpers, and I will see you next Saturday.